Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix Credential Manager Error. The parameter is incorrect. First method is, type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Credential Manager. Change Startup to Manual. Start the service. Click Apply, OK. Second method, right-click Run. Copy text from description and paste it. Simply delete this folder. Restart this computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.